Welcome to the Bellevue College Writing Lab workshop on research questions. This is part 2 of our series. In this video, we will talk about how to formulate a research question. To recap, what makes a good research question? It is clear and focused, it has a manageable scope for your time frame, someone has a stake in the answer, it's not a simple answer, and it requires analysis, not just opinion. Let's look at this sample question and see how it matches up against our criteria. How good of an indicator is standardized testing for academic success in college? Our first criteria was that it should be clear and focused. This question focuses on a particular type of testing in a particular type of setting, and both are clearly identified. Someone has a stake in the answer. In this question, it's relevant to an academic audience, including students, faculty, administrators, even parents, and possibly employers. It requires analysis, not just opinion. It's clear there will be multiple perspectives. Asking the question in itself is just one of them. It cannot be answered simply. This is not a yes/no answer. Now you try it. Start by choosing a general topic that you find interesting. You can start broad here. Then do a preliminary search to gain some basic knowledge of your topic. You can do a Google search, read a Wikipedia page, maybe even search the library database and skim the titles of sources that come up. What you are doing here is opening up the possibilities of the different facets and subsections of this topic and allowing for something that particularly interests you to develop. Make a list of questions surrounding your topic that you would like to know more about. Then consider each question and evaluate those questions based on our research question criteria from before, which was the focus is not too broad and not too narrow. It's clearly stated and not vague. It's researchable within the given time frame. Those who have a stake in the answer are identified. It requires analysis, not only opinion. And it can't be answered in one word. In other words, it raises more questions. You may not yet have a good research question to begin your research. In our next video, we will talk about how to edit your question for focus and clarity.